When you think of the world's biggest plane, you probably picture Leonardo DiCaprio in The Aviator lifting off on the Hercules. Yes, the Spruce Goose, as it is nicknamed, is the biggest flying boat ever built, but it was a strategic and military machine. The biggest passenger plane in the world, since it first took off in 2005, is the Airbus A380. Even after 25 years, with Boeings and the Gulfstreams having built for luxury, the Airbus still holds its own against them with the 380. Today we are going to be talking about the world's biggest passenger plane. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Make sure you stay until number 1 as you won't believe what happened and don't want to miss this exclusive coverage of what it's like inside this special plane. Number 5, a challenge to Boeing. In the early 80s, Boeing challenged Airbus and dominated the long-haul flight market with its 747. And so in 1988, studies started on the A3XX project, which was launched in 1994. In 2000, Airbus announced the 9.5 billion euros A380 project. Due to technical delays in development, the first prototype was unveiled in 2005, by which time the cost had jumped to 18 billion euros. It got certified from the European Aviation Safety Agency and the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration in 2006. The first delivery of the A380 was to Singapore Airlines in 2007, with Emirates being the biggest customer with 123 ordered and 118 delivered. Airbus confirmed that its $25 billion investment can't be recouped, and when Emirates reduced its last orders in 2019, the company announced that the A380 production would end in 2021. Number 4, the Silent Bird. The double-deck aircraft is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce or Engine Alliance turbofan engines, which provide a range of 8,000 nautical miles. The A380 produces half of the noise of a Boeing 747 while carrying 160 passengers or more. Due to the ambient sound rules at the Heathrow Airport, the A380 finds it among the key destinations. The Noise Abatement Society awarded it in 2012. Number 3, bigger and more comfortable. The A380 cabin has a 5,920 square foot usable floor space. This is 40% more than the closest rival and next biggest airline, the Boeing 747. Airbus marketing has been focused around the comfort and space of the cabin. Hence, the cabin has features that reduce passenger fatigue, like noise-canceling interiors, and is pressurized up to 39,000 feet, much higher than previous generations. The Super Jumbo vouches to be 50% quieter than the next in class. The upper and lower decks are connected by 2 staircases, one in the front and one at the back. Both are wide enough to allow 2 passengers side by side. Such is the outlook for comfort on the plane that even the interior lighting uses the LED system in the cabin, the cockpit, and the cargo decks. The settings in the cabin can be altered to create an ambiance simulating daylight, night, or intermediate levels. Number 2, the modifications. Nicknamed the Super Jumbo, it is certified to seat up to 853 people, but a typical capacity carries 525 passengers, with 10 first class, 76 business, and 439 economy class seats. Over the years, different airlines have come out with the variations of the standard offer. The first of these was from launch customer Singapore Airlines, who introduced the partly enclosed suites, each featuring a leather seat with a separate bed. Qantas then launched the Sofa Lounge and seat bed in the first class. In 2009, Air France unveiled an electronic art gallery in its upper deck. Other extravagant modifications were from Emirates, who introduced 5-minute shower spas in the first class. Qatar Airways has a bar lounge and seating area in its upper deck of the A380. In fact, Etihad Airways has enclosed space for 2 people in addition to the bar lounge. Many innovations to the business class seating and introduction of the premium economy sections have been some other additions. At the 2015 Hamburg Aircraft Interiors Expo, the A380 presented an 11-seat row economy cabin, which according to cabin marketing head of Airbus reflected the changing class cabin model in the 21st century. Number 1, the cockpit. The Airbus Thales & Diehl Aerospace designed and developed the Integrated Modular Avionics, or IMA, and was for the first time used in the A380. The IMA architecture is also used in advanced strategic aircrafts like the Dassault Rafale, the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, and the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. A technological innovation, the data networks and computing modules of the IMA reduces the amount of wiring required, which minimizes latency and is easy for troubleshooting. While you are here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. If you really like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel. See you there!